could be a better than that, but I'm so happy we should always be together, so we are. Okay, this is adorable. Like this little like picture. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. This is so adorable. Yeah. Catch the balloons. Oh, why do we have to be at the end? Like I have been having really bad luck this past. Oh, never mind. We're on the inside. Anyway, as I was saying, I have really bad luck of ending on the inside, in the middle, or outside. Oh, we failed that jump. That was. Oh no, he's got ice. I knew that he was trying to ice me there, but I thought he didn't. I made him. We're literally just fighting each other, me and this person. I was. The chains. There's so many chains. Skipping into third place, and I should. Good, so I'm gonna try and stay back. Yeah, okay, because she gave that girl a drag, and I saw what she was doing. No, okay, and she iced me. That's nice. People getting so many dragons. I had literally 0 dragons, and I pressed the wrong button again. No, I should have got that. I'm gonna get shot. Last. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. I think it's a glitch. I'm not too sure. Like, we're all just walking. Okay, there we go. Oh my god, this is too cute, man. I'm loving this. I don't know why I'm loving this, but I just am. It's just so adorable. We have entered room 4, apparently. Anyway, actually, I like this. Get this shooter, man. Right, you know what? We're gonna shoot this person. Oh, we missed. critic? Why are they jumping? I gave everyone critical. That was a lot of ice. Okay, we've got a minor fracture. Okay, we need to heal our horse. Okay, we're apparently the game. Okay, we need to go by, but I don't know why. What do we do? Okay, I'm just gonna buy one of... Oh no, what did I just do? I just got 10 units. I'm just gonna buy one of it. And heal story because okay, right, let's go for the class. Let my horse up. And we'll do the... Yeah. Anyway guys, I think that's gonna do for today's video. So thank you so much for watching and bye guys!